Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting in store for you. We'll be diving into the world of DIY wood projects for room decor. If you're looking to add a touch of warmth and charm to your living space, stick around because we've got some creative and stylish ideas coming your way. Let's kick things off with these fantastic wooden wall shelves. They're not only functional, but also add a pop of personality to any room. Here's what you'll need to make them. Up next, we have these beautiful wooden picture frames. They're super customizable, and you can make them to fit any size of picture you want. Let me show you how it's done. Your bedroom will thank you for this next project, a rustic headboard. It's a unique piece that adds a cozy touch to your sleeping space. Ready to get started? Now, let's get artsy. We're going to create some wooden wall art that's sure to be the centerpiece of your room. Check it out. Ladies, this one's for you. We'll be making a chic wooden jewelry organizer to keep all your accessories tidy and within reach. Want to add some greenery to your room? These wooden plant stands are a great way to showcase your indoor plants and add a touch of nature to your space. Every coffee table needs coasters, right? Why not make them unique with these DIY wooden coasters? Let's get crafting. Create a cozy atmosphere with these wooden candle holders. They're the perfect addition to your room decor. And there you have it, folks. A variety of DIY wood projects for room decor that will elevate the style of your living space. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY ideas.